Welcome back to Bike Culture Hub. The 2025 Yamaha SR450 is more than just a motorcycle. It's a time machine with fuel injection. In a world where modern bikes often chase radical design and aggressive performance, the SR450 takes a deliberate step in the opposite direction, holding tightly onto the soul of classic motorcycling while giving riders the benefits of today's engineering. It's not trying to be loud. It's not trying to win the spec sheet race. What it does is offer something more subtle, more refined, and more enduring, the feeling of just riding. And in 2025, that may be more valuable than ever. At first glance, the SR450 is unmistakably retro. It's got the silhouette of a classic thumper, with a long flat seat, simple teardrop fuel tank, spoked wheels, and minimal bodywork. It looks like it belongs in a black and white photo from the late 1970s, yet the finishes are unmistakably modern. Yamaha's engineers and designers have polished every surface to a standard that only 2025 manufacturing can deliver. The chrome on the exhaust and rear shocks gleams with precision. The paint options, ranging from heritage black, vintage blue, and a new brushed silver, have depth and metallic warmth that simply wouldn't be possible in decades past. The SR450 doesn't scream for attention, but when someone notices it, they notice everything. It's a bike you park and then turn back to look at. Powering this retro beauty is a 445 cubic centimeters air-cooled, single-cylinder engine, a modern refinement of the same platform that Yamaha's thumpers have used for years. It's been updated for emissions compliance, efficiency, and smoother throttle response, thanks to a fuel injection system that replaces the old carburetor setups while retaining that raw mechanical connection that single-cylinder fans crave. It produces around 30 horsepower and 35 newton-meters of torque. Not outrageous numbers, but more than enough to move the SR450's 175 kilograms wet weight with surprising agility. That torque comes on early and builds with a confident push, making the SR450 an ideal commuter and an even better Sunday morning ride companion. What makes this engine particularly special is the way it delivers that power. There's a beautiful rhythm to the thump of the single cylinder. It's not frantic or overly busy. It's meditative. From idle to redline, the SR450 has character. Twist the throttle and it responds with a firm yet forgiving grunt, encouraging a relaxed pace. This is not a bike that wants you to redline it at every stoplight. It's a bike that wants you to feel the ride, not race it. The 5-speed gearbox complements this demeanor. The shifts are mechanical and tactile, each gear slotting in with just enough feedback to keep things analog without feeling old school in a bad way. Yamaha even tuned the gear ratios to keep the engine in its sweet spot, particularly between second and fourth gears, perfect for city traffic and twisty B-roads. The suspension setup reflects the SR450's old-school values with a modern twist. Up front, you'll find conventional 35mm telescopic forks with 120mm of travel, while twin rear shocks handle things at the back. There's no electronic wizardry here, just steel springs, dampers, and the geometry to make it all feel right. And surprisingly, it works. Whether you're carving through corners or bouncing through city potholes, the SR450 feels balanced and planted. It's not razor-sharp like a sport bike, but it doesn't need to be. Communicates through the handlebars, lets you feel the road, and rewards smooth inputs. Riders coming from heavier cruisers or more powerful sport bikes may be shocked by how responsive it feels. Braking duties are handled by a single 270mm front disc with a dual-piston caliper and a 150mm rear drum brake. Yes, a drum in 2025. But Yamaha isn't doing this for cost-cutting. It's intentional. The rear drum adds to the authentic classic experience, and with the inclusion of a lightweight ABS system, safety isn't compromised. In fact, the braking system is tuned to match the SR450's character, predictable, progressive, and effective without being abrupt. When it comes to ergonomics, the SR450 delivers simplicity and comfort in equal measure. The seat height is a manageable 790mm, making it accessible for most riders. The seat itself is flat, supportive, and surprisingly plush over long distances. The upright handlebar position and mid-mounted pegs create a relaxed triangle that allows riders to stay comfortable for hours on end. Whether you're commuting in urban traffic or cruising through back roads, the SR450 never puts you in an aggressive stance or cramps your knees. It's a rider's bike in the truest sense. The instrumentation sticks to the basics. A large round analog speedometer dominates the cluster, complemented by a smaller digital display that includes a fuel gauge, odometer, trip meters, and a clock. There's no flashy TFT here. No complex menu systems or distractions. The SR450 gives you only what you need, nothing more. It's refreshing in a world where even 400 cubic centimeters bikes come with ride modes, traction control settings, and Bluetooth pairing. For many, this stripped-down approach is not a downside, it's a feature. It encourages connection between rider and machine, not rider and screen. In terms of fuel efficiency, the SR450 shines. With a 13-liter tank and an average fuel economy of around 30 to 35 km/L, this bike can easily achieve over 400 kilometers on a single tank. It's a bike that seems to whisper, "Let's just keep going." And thanks to its lightweight design and neutral handling, it's just as happy navigating dense city traffic as it is rolling along a quiet highway. It doesn't ask for much from you, and in return, it gives back something rare: peace of mind. But perhaps the SR450's greatest strength is its identity. It knows exactly what it is and never pretends to be anything else. It's not trying to impress spec sheet junkies. It's not trying to be the fastest, the most tech-laden, or the most radical. It's a motorcycle built around the purity of riding. It's for those who remember why they fell in love with motorcycles in the first place, and for those who are just starting that journey and want to do so with a machine that teaches the fundamentals. No ride modes, no rider aids, just you, the engine, and the open road. Customization is another strong point for the SR450. Its simple design and exposed frame make it a dream for those who love to tinker. Yamaha even offers a range of factory accessories: flat track seats, high-mounted exhausts, fork gaiters, minimalist tail sections, that let you turn the SR450 into your own vision of a classic custom. The aftermarket scene is already buzzing with bolt-on kits, cafe racer conversions, scrambler setups, and tracker-style mods. In a way, the SR450 is a blank canvas with just enough style already painted in. As for pricing, Yamaha has managed to keep the SR450 incredibly competitive. In 2025, it comes in at around $5,499, positioning it as one of the most affordable ways to get into motorcycling, or to get back into it for those returning after a hiatus. Given the build quality, the reliability of Yamaha's engineering, and the timeless styling, it represents tremendous value. Maintenance is also minimal: simple oil changes, valve checks, and chain adjustments. No ride-by-wire systems to recalibrate, no radar sensors to align. It's as analog and approachable as modern motorcycles get. For new riders, the SR450 is unintimidating and forgiving, while still being engaging enough that they won't outgrow it within a year. For experienced riders, it offers a breath of fresh air, a chance to reconnect with the road without being buried in tech or power. And for collectors or those with a nostalgic bend, it represents a continuation of Yamaha's storied SR line, preserving that legacy in a package that looks vintage but rides modern. Ultimately, the 2025 Yamaha SR450 isn't about dominating the road, it's about enjoying it. It's not a machine that demands respect with brute force or bleeding-edge design. Instead, it earns your respect over time with every kick of the starter, every gear shift, and every mile traveled. It invites you to slow down, not in speed but in perspective, to feel the wind, to hear the engine, to notice the road beneath you. And in a world that's speeding up with every passing day, that's something special. That's something worth riding.